The Mind Over Foundation is a nonprofit dedicated to empowering individuals and communities by fostering resilience and promoting mental health awareness and inspiring action. Here with us now to tell us about their upcoming event and how it's supporting their mission are Max and Jack. Thanks so much for coming in today, you two.
Good to be back.
Of course. Well, first, we know you from another event that you do. So tell us a little bit about your mission with the Mind Over Foundation and the events you're known for.
Yeah, so I guess we're most known for our annual 24-hour run, which started a couple years ago, where we ran for 24 hours around Delaware Park to raise money for mental health and suicide prevention. And that really started trying to break the stigma of surrounding mental health. And our main mantra is we believe movement is medicine, not only for the body, but for the mind as well. And so we want to let people know that it is okay to not be okay. So we believe in seeking intentional discomfort. And for us, that is doing things that are physically hard as well as mentally hard. So that's sort of our mission and what we strive for.
And you have an upcoming event, Picklefest. Tell us kind of how this idea came to you.
Yeah, I think first and foremost, the 24-hour run might not feel like the most accessible event. And so we had been going back and forth about kind of playing with a few different ideas. And fortunately, we were actually approached by our partners at M&T Bank, and who really wanted to activate the downtown Buffalo area. Since COVID, there's been a lot of businesses moving away. And so we were just thinking and brainstorming around how could we get more people and, put on something fun that feels welcoming and really try to build a community around it. And so after going back and forth, we put in the Gus Macker basketball tournament growing up, and so we took some inspiration for that and, said, let's put on something pickleball related. And then obviously Picklesburg, which is a huge fun event in Pittsburgh. We kind of took some inspiration for that and, kind of mashed the two together and came up with Picklefest.
I love it. And obviously pickleball has been having a huge rage over the last several years now. So let's get into Picklefest. You said you took some inspiration from some other events. So explain to us how the day is going to work.
Yeah, so it's starting at 10 a.m. We'll have a casual pickleball tournament kickoff. We'll have a competitive division start at 1 p.m. And just throughout the day, we're going to have a bunch of local vendors, a lot of pickle favorites, and we're going to have the NFL games on the Jumbotron, a lot of different kind of family activations, and it just should be a fun day for all. So a lot of different opportunity.
And so not just the pickleball, like playing it, you guys also will have a lot of pickles there.
Yes, indeed. We definitely wanted to make it pickle related, so we'll have drinks, we'll have all the pickles people want, different flavors of different types of pickles, as well as pickleball. So it's just a perfect match between the two.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, 100%. That's true.
Okay, so how does pickleball, pickles tie into the overarching mission for the foundation?
Yeah, I think it's really just about building a community. And like I said, movement is medicine. Pickleball is one of those things that people can get out at any age, really, and play. So we think that it's a great opportunity and a little bit more accessible than running for 24 hours, where I think a lot of people, all different ages, are going to be able to come out and have fun with each other, as well as, having the spotlight on being for mental health and suicide prevention.
When and where is this happening?
So this will be at Seneca 1 in the lobby on Sunday, beginning at 10 a.m., running through 5 p.m. And really, it should be an incredible day. There'll be a lot of energy, DJ, and so we hope to keep the vibes up.
Is this a free event?
It is, and so that's one of the things we wanted to, really focus on, is eliminating any barriers to entry. And so we've rented out the parking garage next to Seneca 1, and really we just want to make a welcoming environment for everyone. So completely free.
Is there any other ways our viewers can support the mission and what you're trying to accomplish?
I think just continuing to obviously reach out first and foremost and engage with us on our socials. And I think if we're always looking for volunteers for our next event, or just people that really want to get involved and support the mission. So just go to our website or any of our social medias. And
by the way, how did the last 24-hour run go?
It went great. We hit our goal, and we were able to raise over $100,000 for two great organizations, AFSP Western New York and the Oshai Children's Psychiatric Clinic. So the feedback was great from the community. We were a little sore the following days.
I bet, I'd imagine.
Yeah, we ran for a long time, but again, it was just about getting people out there outside of their comfort zone, and a lot of people ran farther than they thought or walked further than they thought.
Yeah.
And we had a lot of great conversations with people, so it was awesome.
Okay, well, congratulations on another successful event. This one is sure to be a major hit as well. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing more about what you do. Viewers, if you'd like more information on the Mind Over Foundation, you can visit mindoverfoundation.com or connect with them on social media. For more information on Picklefest Buffalo, just search for it on eventbrite.com. Thanks again for coming in.
Thank you.